Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SENS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day on this one when you factor in just how strongly it started with the gap up. Price made a move up to that point right there, and then from there, it was like somebody flipped the switch and the momentum disappeared, and then back down the price went. So overall today, yes, not a very good day, but emphasis being on today, because if you take a step back and look at multiple days, then everything is still perfectly fine. So again, a lot of this just depends on your perspective going into things. Meaning if you're a day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well then from that point of view, from that perspective, yeah, the chart truly looks really, really bad. But if you care about things from the grand scheme of things, yes, even with the pullback, which is annoying, the overall price is hanging in there. And as far as I'm concerned, everything is fine as long as the price stays above the $2 mark. And it explained this better, and I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just for, like I said, explanation purposes, let's say the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then just starts to curl back upwards. What would that still be giving you from the bigger picture point of view? Well, you'd still have a set of lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have lows down there, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, there you go. From the big picture point of view, you still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. So for those people that do, care about more so the big picture point of view, then in my mind, that's where that $2 mark comes into play. But again, I fully realize that if you're a day trader and you bought right there, then you don't really care about that $2 mark. But that's why I'm trying to make the big distinction that there are a couple different ways of looking at all of this. But overall, yes, today individually, not a good day. What would be known as a gap and trap. However, looking at multiple days, price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.